Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my channel Nizamani Vlogs. Naukot Fort is a fortification that was established by Mir Karam Khan Talpur in 1814. It is situated in Mithi Taluka Tharparkar District, approximately 64 km in the south of Mirpur Khas town, Sindh. Its location gave it its other common name, the gateway to the Thar Desert. It is meant to guard the area against the Rajputs. The fort is unique in the area as bricks were only used for its construction and did not use materials such as wood and iron. The fort is developed of burnt bricks in mud mortar, which is 113 meters in length and 98 meters in breadth. On the southern side of the castle, another four-sided construction which measures 15 meter into 13 meter has it the male entrance and narrow approach to the internal placement of fort. The entire walls and bastion reflects attenuating looks. The thin narrow entrance is accessed via a twisted passage established by two heavy and semi-circled bastions. The bastion is near to the gateway and making a section of the four-sided squarish establishment is over 9.5 cm tall with a base having a diameter about 42 meters. Talpur belongs to the Balochi tribe who later settled in Sindh. The Talpur dynasty encamped in northern Sindh spoke the Sindhi language very fluently. Soon their successors and associates established a federation against the dynasty of Kaloda. Although they enjoyed good relation with Kalodas later then and were offered by them to help arrange the scattered Balochi tribes surviving in Sindh. The Talpurs are generally known to be as the founder of Sindh's unity. The ruling era of Talpur in Sindh was from 1783 to 1843. Later it was captured by the British East India Company commanded by General Charles James Napier. The building is currently undergoing restorations since its drainage might be blocked, leading to water accumulating within the location.